Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Looking to give the gift of great food? Today I'm going to show you how to buy DoorDash gift cards. First of all, open your browser and go to the official DoorDash website at www.doordash.com. Now, from the homepage, select Browse All and click on Gift Cards. Browse the gift card options. You can select a specific amount, starting as low as $25 or choose a custom value. Enter the recipient's name and email address and a personalized message. You can also choose to send the gift card immediately or schedule it for a specific date. Add the gift card to your cart and proceed to checkout. Enter your payment information, confirm the details, and complete your purchase. Finally, you will receive a confirmation email, and the recipient will get their gift card via email or on the date you choose. And that's it. DoorDash gift cards are a perfect way to treat your friends and family to their favorite meals. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and share for more tips.